In this session, we'll discuss about how to promote a user story to higher environments. When we are trying to promote changes, first we need to mark the user story as ready to promote. This can be found in the deliver section. Then the user story will be available in the pipeline manager. Then either you can create a promotion or you can select promote and deploy. Let's go to the pipeline manager. As you can see, this user story now available for ready to promote in the pipeline manager. You just need to click here and create promote for creation of the promotion, or you can create promote and deploy. For now, I will click on this promote button. Now let's go to the promotion. Now click on the user story and create deployment. Now you need to select what type of deployment it will be. Either it will be validation deployment or actual deployment. Also, you can select the test level as well. No test run, run specified test, run local test, run all test in the org. I just want to validate these changes, so I will create on validation only checkbox and submit. This will create a deployment record. Now let's go to the deployment record. Once the deployment record is created, you can see the promotion branch is also created. Let's click on it. This promotion branch is created from the destination branch. In this case, it is the end one. During the promotion branch creation process, the feature branch is merged into the promotion branch. This happens if there is no merge conflicts or they are automatically resolved by Copado. If multiple user stories are included in the promotion record, the respective feature branch will be merged sequentially as per the user story number into the promotion branch. Once the deployment record is created, we can do a pull request to review the changes comparing the promotion branch with the destination org branch. This pull request is used just for double checking purposes and for approvals. Let's click on this pull request. You do not need to click on merge pull request from here because Copado will take care during the promotion itself. But you can review from here what are the files are changes, and if there is any approvals are needed, you can get it from here. At the next step, we can execute the deployment. The source or the branch used for deployment will be the promotion branch. We can click here in the deploy all. Since this is a validation deployment or check only deployment, it will only validate the changes. Since the validation is completed now, I can remove the check only checkbox from here and click save. If I deploy now, it will be an actual deployment, not a validation deployment. Also, a few things to look into here. First is the source credential. In this case, it is the dev1 org, and the destination credential. In this case, it is the int org. Since the deployment has been completed successfully, the promotion branch is now merged into the destination org branch. In this case, it is the int. This process is same for all orgs like SIT, prod, UAT, etc. So let's repeat this process for UAT org deployment. First, we'll mark the stories which we want to promote to UAT environment. We'll create a promotion record from the Copado pipeline manager. Then the promotion branch will be created from the destination org. In this case, it is the UAT branch. Then Copado will merge the user story feature branch in this promotion branch. Once the merge process is complete, we can do a pull request verification and then start the deployment. Once the deployment is successful, Copado will merge the promotion branch into the UAT branch. Hope this branching strategy is clear now. We will go through this in the future sessions as well.